Our esteemed chief guests, honorable manager sir, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear students, a very fresh good morning to everyone. First of all, happy Father's Day to all our fathers. Truly, a father's love is unconditional, his wisdom is invaluable and his place is irreplaceable. Father's Day is celebrated every year on 3rd Sunday of June. We gather today to honor and celebrate the love, wisdom and strength of our fathers. So now I would like to invite Kashish Abdi and Hayat Zahra to come on the stage for hosting today's program. So please give a big round of hands together.
Thank you, ma'am, for inviting us. Honorable Manager Sir, respected Principal Sir, Chief Guest, and all my dear friends, a very fresh good morning to all. Happy Father's Day to all.
Myself Hayat Abdi from class 7. Myself Hayat Abdi from class 7.
Myself Kashish Abdi from class 8.
Happy Father's Day to all the fathers present here. Today we want a moment to celebrate you and everything you do for our family.
Here we have Bapu Group with us, tribe to our super dad.
I would like to call Zia to share some word with all of us. Clapping for Zia.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, प्रबंधक, अतिथिगण एवं मेरे प्रिय मित्रों, सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम जिया है, मैं कक्षा 8वीं की छात्रा हूँ। पिता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। पिता का महत्व, आज मैं बात करना चाहती हूँ पिता के महत्व के बारे में। पिता हमारी जिंदगी में एक ज़रूरी भूमिका निभाते हैं। वो न केवल रक्षक बल्कि मार्गदर्शक भी होते हैं। पिता हमें हर कठिनाइयों का सामना करना सिखाते हैं। उनकी मेहनत हमें प्रेरित करती है। वे हमें आत्मनिर्भर बनाते हैं और अपने सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए प्रेरित करते हैं। पिता का प्यार अक्सर चुपचाप होता है, लेकिन उनकी मेहनत और समर्थन हमेशा हमारे साथ है। वो हमारे लिए एक मजबूत आधार है जो हमें हर परिस्थिति में सहारा देते हैं। पिता का प्यार न केवल शब्दों में नहीं होता बल्कि उनके कामों से भी झलकता है। आखिर में यह कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि पिता केवल एक परिवार के सदस्य नहीं होते बल्कि हमारे जीवन के सबसे बड़े शिक्षक भी होते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Zia. Such a wonderful performance. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together.
Now I would like to call Arshil to share some word with all of us. Please put your hands together.
Honorable Principal Sir, Manager Sir, respected teachers, parents and all my dear friends, first of all, good morning. Myself Arshil Khan belong to class 7th. Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to celebrate a special group of heroes in our life, our father. When we think the superheroes, we often picture cape figure scoring through the sky, battling villains and saving the day. But the truth is, the original superheroes does not wear a cap. He wears the many hats of fatherhood. Father are the unsung heroes who stand by us through thick and thin. They teach us valuable lessons from riding a bike to facing life's challenge with courage and resilience. They are our protector, our mentor and our biggest supporter. So today let's honor our dad and recognize the incredible impact they have on our life. They may not have superpower, but their love and guidance give us the strength to become the best version of ourselves. Happy Father's Day to all the original superheroes out there. Thank you.
Manager Sir, Principal Sir, respected teachers and all my dear friends, good morning to all. Myself, Falak Zahra, belong to class 8. Today, I am here to represent my speech on Father's Day. Today, we gather to celebrate a special occasion that honors the role of father play in our life. This day is dedicated or recognition the love, support and guidance that father provide. Father are heroes shaping our life. It not fully applicated today. Father teaches important lesson from the value of hard working to the significance of integrity. They are role of model, showing us to navigate the world with strength and resilience, whether it's through a single conversation and shared experience or a comforting presence during touch time. Father leave lasting impact on time, heart and mind. As we celebrate Father's Day, let's take a moment to express our gratitude. A small gift or simple spending time together. Thank you. Happy Father's Day to all.
Thank you, Falak. Such a wonderful performance. Please put your hands together.
मुझे इतना प्यार न दो बाबा, कल जाने मुझे नसीब हो ना हो।
ये जो माथा चूमा करते हो, कल इस पर शिकन अजीब ना हो।
मैं जब भी रोती हूँ बाबा, तुम आंसू पोंछा करते हो।
मेरे नाज उठाते हो बाबा,
हमसे लाड लड़ाते हो बाबा।
कल ऐसा ना हो एक नगरी में मैं तुमको याद करूं
और रोकर फरियाद करूं, ए खुदा मेरे बाबा सा कोई प्यार जताने वाला हो।
मेरे बाबा मुझसे अहद करो, मुझे तुम छुपा कर रखोगे।
दुनिया की जालिम नजरों से मुझको तुम बचा कर रखोगे।
Now I would like to call Asya, so please come on the stage. Please put your hands together.
Honorable Manager Sir, Principal Sir, respected teachers and all my dear friends, a very fresh good morning to all. I feel immensely privileged to have got the opportunity to express my views on the untold story of fatherhood. Fathers are often the unsung heroes of our life. They work tirelessly to provide for their families, sacrificing their own dreams and desires for the sake of their loved ones. They are the rock that hold our families together, providing stability, support, and guidance. The story of fatherhood is often untold, but it's a story that needs to be shared. It's a story of sacrifice, of love, of dedication, of perseverance. It's a story that needs to be shared, of sacrifice. Today, as we celebrate Father's Day, let's take a moment of appreciation. The untold story of fatherhood. Let's honor the men who have made the difference in our life, who have sacrificed for us and who have loved us unconditionally. Thank you, Dad, for being my rock, my guiding light and my hero. Thank you. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you, Asya. Such a beautiful performance. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together.
Last but not least, welcome Alisha to give an appreciation our superheroes, our dads. So please put your hands together.
Honorable Manager Sir, Principal Sir, respected teachers, our esteemed chief guest and all my dear friends, a very fresh good morning to all. Myself, Alisha Qureshi, belong to class 8. Today, I want to tell about someone who has been my guardian light, my role model and my mentor. My father from a very young age, my father has been a constant source of inspiration, motivation and support in my life. A role model and inspiration. My father is a man of great integrity, honesty and compassion. He has always led by example, showing me the importance of hard work, perseverance and determination. A mentor and guide. My father has been my mentor and guide throughout my life. He has taught me valuable life lessons, shared his experiences and offered me advice whenever I needed it. Life lessons learned from my father, I have learned many valuable life lessons, a source of strength and support. My father has been a source of strength and support. He has been there for me during my ups and downs, my success and failures. He has supported me in my endeavors and celebrated my success. Conclusion, my father is not just my parents, he is my mentor, my role model and my guardian light. He has inspired me, motivated me and supported me, and I hope to make him proud by becoming a person of integrity, honesty and compassion. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Alisha. Such a good speech. with a huge thunder of clap. Now, I would like to call Ganish Punyani and Surya Dev. So please come on the stage for dance performance with a put your hands together.
अंबर पे मेरे एक ही तारा, वो एक तारा हो तुम। ना कोई खुदा मेरा तेरे सिवा, मेरा जग सारा हो तुम। मैंने तुम्हें जहाँ रखा कोई नहीं है वहाँ। पापा मेरी जान हरदम रखना, अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम। पापा मेरी जान मेरे संग चलना, हर मील का पत्थर तुम ही पे तो ठहरते हैं ये रास्ते मेरे लिए।
Thank you, boys. Mesmerizing performance. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together.
Thank you everyone and happy Father's Day to all.